belimumab is an IgG antibody. Okay, it is an IgG monoclonal antibody against the B lymphocyte stimulator, or also called the B cell activating factor. Okay, so by which when belimumab attacks this receptor, binds to this receptor, it leads to the apoptosis of the B cell. Okay, so now the B cell are the cell which are dysregulated in SLE, gives rise to a lot of antibodies which go and deposit in the kidney or attack different tissues, the musculoskeletal system, the heart, whatnot in SLE. Okay, so this belimumab is found to be useful in reducing the SLE disease activity index. Okay, SLEDA scores are much less with belimumab. It is a drug which can be given both IV and subcutaneous. Okay, it is an injection. It is either given in the intravenous form or the subcutaneous route.